Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Bithumb. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, some of the best wallets you can use, and so much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Bithumb is a South Korean cryptocurrency exchange for spot trading, automated trading, and staking. This exchange was founded in 2014 by Javier Sim, and it has more than 5 million clients worldwide. Bithumb is Korea's largest retail crypto trading platform by trading volume, and it offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs that can be traded on a beginner-friendly mobile application with low trading fees. You can use Bithumb's payment platform for online payments and transfers, and we highly recommend this exchange if you are interested in automating your trades. Bithumb's exchange can be used for spot trading on more than 180 cryptocurrencies and over 280 pairs. You can buy crypto directly from the exchange using the KRY or South Korean won or Bitcoin. The exchange's interface is easy to use, and you can add your most traded instruments to your favorites list. You will also be able to easily configure auto trading on your account directly from the exchange. The Bithumb exchange offers dozens of intuitive technical indicators that you can access by clicking on the Indicators button. There are also several different drawing tools which can be accessed by clicking on the Paintbrush button. The Bithumb mobile application can be downloaded for free from Google Play and the Apple App Store. This application is very secure and has several authentication methods. You can secure your app with a password, a PIN, your fingerprint, and a unique pattern. Once you are signed in, you can start trading and add your favorite instruments to your watch list. You can also set custom price alerts for instruments and set different limits on your orders to help you manage risks. The application can also be used to easily send crypto to other wallets or to make transfers directly to your contact list. To download the Bithumb application, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click on the Download button. If you are interested in automating your trades, you can easily do so by using Bithumb's auto trading algorithm. The Bithumb Auto Trader can be used 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it will automatically repeat orders by buying low and selling high within the price range you have chosen. Bithumb's auto traders use artificial intelligence and algorithms to place trades based on performance and trends, which frees up a lot of time for you. To automate your trades, open an account with Bithumb, click on the Service tab, and select the Auto Trading option. You also have the option of using one of Bithumb's recommended bot traders to automate your trades. These bots have different functions and can be used to automatically track prices, place orders, and copy the trades of top strategy providers. Automated trading is a great alternative if you have a busy schedule, or if you are new to trading and you are eager to get started. If you are an experienced trader, we would recommend joining Bithumb's Club B, which will give you access to exclusive APIs and major discounts on your trading fees. Bithumb also offers flexible, high-yield staking plans with daily reward payouts, and with Bithumb's virtual assistant deposit system, you can earn stable interest on a variety of major cryptocurrencies. Another way to earn more with Bithumb is through ETH 2.0 staking. Staking Ether 2.0 allows the network to run nodes which validate transactions. Ether 2.0 is an upgrade of the Ethereum environment, which will allow more transactions to be processed and will use a proof-of-stake consensus. Bithumb also offers crypto loans, and you can easily borrow Ether and Bitcoin using the South Korean won as collateral. Bithumb Cash is Bithumb's crypto payment platform. This platform is intended to encourage the global adoption of crypto, especially in South Korea. Bithumb Cash allows users to transfer crypto and make online and offline payments using cryptocurrencies. The purpose of Bithumb Cash is to make it easier to use cryptocurrencies in your everyday life. Bithumb does not currently have a native token, but you can get discounts on your trading fees by purchasing coupons from Bithumb using the South Korean won. There seems to be no proprietary wallet on the Bithumb website, so we would recommend connecting one of the top-rated third-party wallets to your Bithumb account. All you need to do is send crypto to your wallet's address using the Bithumb mobile application. We would recommend using wallets such as Trust Wallet, Ledger, or MetaMask. Trust Wallet is free to download and use. It supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets, which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. Trust Wallet is also a great option if you'll be collecting NFTs, because you can store them in this wallet. The Ledger hardware wallet is available in the Nano S and Nano X models. And using Ledger Live, you can buy and exchange over 5,000 coins and tokens. This wallet offers secure offline storage. It is compatible with 50 third-party wallets and can store up to 100 decentralized applications. The MetaMask software wallet can be used to conveniently buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies using the built-in exchange, and it allows you to connect directly to a variety of blockchain applications. You can easily create an account with Bithumb in a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the Bithumb homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Complete the online mobile verification process, and then enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Next, verify your email address and account, and don't forget to submit any necessary documentation. Once your account is verified, set up and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. You can buy crypto directly from the Bithumb exchange using the South Korean won, or download the mobile application to make an instant purchase. Payments can be made using a credit card, bank transfer, and any third-party applications. The Bithumb customer support team is available 24 hours a day. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ section to view the user guides provided and see if your questions have already been answered. So, what do we like about Bithumb? Bithumb's exchange is beginner-friendly, but there are plenty of advanced trading tools and technical indicators that makes this exchange suitable for all styles of trading. The Bithumb mobile application is trusted by millions worldwide, and low fees are guaranteed. So, if you are interested, be sure to open your Bithumb account today to get a head start on your trading career with South Korea's #1 crypto exchange. And that is our overview of Bithumb. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching. And as always, good luck with your investments.